Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're super hyped. We got actually a tractor out here and we're gonna build a sick track today.
Gnarly.
Bobcat. We're so hyped.
Plus plus the pro driver.
Oh yeah, we got a pro driver. Look at this tractor.
Yeah, whatever works for you.
It's gonna be so sick. Alright, we'll see you guys at the desert. For now, we're just gonna rip the quad up there. And once we get done building the track, then we're gonna go grab Luke's spitter and the Sur-Ron. And yeah.
What's going on, guys? We're on the way up.
Sure are.
Gotta take the road up there for a second, but then it's just like far out in the desert.
Smoothie! This shit the whole time.
And we're filming, we're rolling.
Dirt's like crime.
Yeah, look at that quality soil.
Oh my god. I don't get how it's still green out here.
It's never this green in the summer, it's just brown.
It's been raining so much. Alright, we got a 4x up there. We gotta put this on in 4x. Oh! Oh yeah, we mobbing. Woo! Oh, that was nuts.
Got this little berm straight into this takeoff right here.
This is like a sick little table. Like, it just boosts you straight up. Alright, so yeah, you land here. And then...
Oh, wait, hold on. So then you hit that little jump thing.
Yeah.
Straight into that rut berm
Wait, hold
thing.
on. Let me take him through it.
Alright. You need some speed and stuff.
Alright. So yeah, oh shoot. You land here. You rip right here. Well, this was jump until we kind of just like plowed it. But, look, remember when this was like a sick jump and now everybody just plowed it? Yeah. Yep. Sure did. So then you're supposed to land here, but now it's just straight away. Got this sick rut. Pretty sick rut into like a little straightaway. Let's see. And then we had like a step up here yesterday with this wooden ramp that I built for like scooters and stuff, but we put it there until I hit on my Sur-Ron and it landed up there and like my Sur-Ron was broke for some reason. But yeah. And then we got a high quality berm here. All shovel built, by the way. Down here. Got like a gnarly berm. I washed so bad right here yesterday. Luke, where are you? Oh, Luke is... Where are you? Oh, there you are. What are you even doing? I was just giving the people a track walk. Well, there's a bird forward that way, but I don't feel like running right now. So, I'll turn the camera soon as the tractor gets here. We're working on berm number 1 going down.
It's been like 2 minutes.
Oh yeah! Look at that.
Just finished the berm. We're gonna have to like pack it down and stuff, but we got car.
Roller action right here.
Yeah, we're making a couple rollers.
Alright, we're just tuning the lip up. My dad just dumped all the dirt on there. And now, yeah, just tune it up. It should be good. Alright, so we're working on the track. And we're building a tabletop right here. Just a little tabletop. And this was, like right over here was a nice little rut. But now we're making it a sweet berm. So this should be super fun. And we're gonna hit that straight into like this little bump. And then down there. Alright, what's up guys? We got the bikes. It's actually a different day because we had to go to the lake and ride and stuff, but yeah, we're out here again. The track is super sick. There's like a bunch of big doubles and stuff.
Yeah, we mixed it up a little bit, so we'll go rip.
Yeah, we'll get some footage.
I think I'm in love, saying way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I'll be so exhausted.
Are we rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling.
Alright, so here's like a little
Section we got. So first of all, we got like a little like check jump right there. Into like a little turn into like a, I mean, now it's like a basically flat ground, single into like a little double. When we first built this, it was so hard to hit. Like I could maybe even hit off a seat bounce, but it was so hard. But then we got like a little berm right here. It's pretty, I mean, it needs some work, but yeah, we got that into like a little split lane right here. You can either like go on the inside and hit that roller and hit that, or you can just rip around the outside. And then we got a little double right there. So yeah, let's see. That's pretty sweet. He's ripping. Helicopter. Got a little double right here into like a little straightaway. And then a berm here, and then a berm there. And then a booter right there. Not really booter, but it's a good jump. All right.
Alright, so that's the new track. You're probably gonna see like a bunch of more videos here.
Yeah.
It's super sick. Definitely, the jumps definitely got a little bit bigger.
Oh yeah.
It's sick.
Yeah, a lot more jumps. Yeah, I mean there's some booters, there's some little like fun little doubles and stuff. But yeah, it was a good day. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.